Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. If you've got a cell tower on your property or have been approached about one, you've probably wondered, do I actually own that tower? The short answer is no. In most cases, you own the land, but not the tower itself. What you've likely signed or will sign is a lease allowing a wireless carrier or infrastructure company to use part of your land for their equipment. Think of it like renting out a parking space. You own the ground, but not the vehicle. This distinction is huge because the tower owner controls usage and can sublease it, often making more money than the landowner receiving in rent. That's where SiteBid.com comes in. Their rent estimate tool lets you see how your lease compares to others nationwide using real market data, and their site manager dashboard helps you track documents, renewals, and earnings. You can even consult with SiteBid experts to negotiate better terms, understand legal language, or explore lease buyout and sales options through their investor marketplace. SiteBid also offers valuation services, public Q&A forums, and access to vetted professionals across legal, telecom, and real estate fields, all designed to give you clarity and control. So while you may not own the tower, you do own leverage, and SiteBid helps you make the most of it. Their mission is simple: to empower property owners by providing transparent, data-driven tools and expert guidance so you can protect your land, make informed decisions, and maximize the value of your utility infrastructure assets. Whether you're managing one site or an entire portfolio, SiteBid is your strategic partner every step of the way. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content. See you on the next one.